Dai, move the car, dai.
From the jungle to this, Wada. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are here in our other house. We're gonna clean, anak. You're gonna help us? So we're gonna clean the things guys. It's very dirty. Here guys, we are now here back. We are back. We bring also our some of the rocks. So we are look like jungle here. Or jungle, we're gonna clean. We bring this grass cutter.
This one is
Tony will remove all these things first. That long one.
This is by hand.
It's very soft because it was raining last night, this morning, no? Papa will open yet, anak.
Vede la televisione?
Ah, sì, wow, very easy, oh.
Hai visto com'è facile?
See. See, it's okay if it's all like that, it's easy, but this is the one that make you more, oh. Temo guys,
La chiave?
Non mi dai la chiave. Wala aprire. Say, dai, we're gonna start to do it. Open first, yes, babe. Yes. So, we are very thankful with this car, oh. Car, this is a lifesaver for us. We bring all, guys. We put all everything inside in this car. Old, but it's 40.
Vediamo se apre.
It's 40, this car. Wow. I think we're gonna put all this. We're gonna put all the rocks here, guys. The rocks.
You're gonna put there, Dave. You mean here?
See. See.
Here.
Ah.
Here.
Because guarda.
Here. All here. I think
See.
it's nice that we do all this.
Ah. Wow, we are jungle here. Nobody lives here during winter time. After summer, kasi we don't rent, ano man. Hindi namin pinapirentahan ng long term kasi nga, hirap magpapaalis ng tao dito guys. Lalo na pag may mga anak. Naku, hirap talaga kayong mga ano. Hirap mo silang mapaalis kasi sila pa yung matapang. Yung ano nga. Oh, wow. It's dirty. Babe, it's dirty. Hirap yung sa ano doon sa south nung nagre-rent ng bahay namin doon. For kamiseria, oh. Even the garage? Ah, sabi nito niya, akala namin walang susi ba. So, yung nag-rent doon sa bahay namin doon, hindi umalis kasi mayroong apat na anak, mga minor. Oh, so, kailangan namin ng lawyer para yun magpaalis sila. Kasi dito kasi sa Italy guys, bawal ka magpaalis-alis ng basta-basta pag may mga pamilya na lalo involved yung mga bata, minors. So.
Ay.
Tanggalin natin tong mga matataas kasi.
How is it? Does it remove quickly, vero?
Si.
Questa no.
No, rat mo na.
This one.
Yeah.
Not all.
See, some of them are very hard, but yeah. Oh, we gonna do, guys. So we can start to clean all here, guys, because we are really busy. We're really busy, no? Alam mo? Oh? We are very makalat here. Mama Mia, babe, smell humidity inside. Babe, smell humidity inside. Humid.
Is there something there? No.
No, I think it's the moro. Wala ko sa inyo, guys. C'è le scale, sì. No, adesso no, because buyo. Buyo.
It's the toilet.
Ah, it's the toilet. Flush that, babe. Let's open.
It's not it's the foglia,
Ah, the water.
seaweed there.
Let's open this first. At least it was... Bella, Isay. Oh, we still have ano guys. We still have Olio here, oh. Have Olio. Babe, gusto ka sa troppo bello. Bello, più bello qua. We live here for a few months, anak, before. And then to na dating like that much here because wala, very malayo yung grocery store dito din. Nice. And we have to change also the sofa because it's merong nagstay dito ng about 1 month hindi siya nakatayo na ba. Yan lagi si Baraba. And ayan, nasira yung gitna. Bumaba. So timo guys, jungle talaga to dito guys. So kailangan talaga namin to. So we gonna start or you want to put first the things, the benzina? Ay! Oh, Mamma mia, che principessa! Princess, it's called princess. You are the princess? Wow! Don't remove the car, the things. Let's remove the things first. You move the car because we're gonna start the princess.
That's
Ang bigat.
I need mine out. Loot my you out. Need my you out of bed. No.
It's gonna be even more hard. Oh.
of course.
We have another one. We have another one because Tony bought man too much in for our house, guys. So we have, I said we're gonna bring it here. So we still have another. I think we still have mini at home. No, how many kilos that left at home? Maybe
3 tons. 6.
600.
600 kilos.
600 kilos. Mayroon pa kami guys. Almost 100 kilos pala yung na-left pala doon sa atin, babe. 150 kilos maybe. Still have it, guys, and we're gonna pour everything here. So Tony will move the car, and I'm gonna start. I will start here, babe. See, move the car because I'm gonna start there. See, Luso.
Yeah, but babe, don't remove the land because it's far.
Oh, be careful. So ayun na nga guys, no, bago namin mag-umpisa sa grass cutter, hinuhulbot ko muna na itong mga sagbot ba kasi mabilis man yan sang matanggal ba pag kasi nga umuulan nga kanina umaga. And sabi ko kay ito, nag-decide kami na pupunta dito kasi mas mabilis siya matanggal yung ating mga sagbot. Ano ba yung sagbot sa Tagalog? Basta sagbot. Ayan, yan na umpisa na na namin ito ni super bilis lang talaga niya guys kasi malambot yung anyang kuan ba. Kanang usingan ani oy. Malambot yung iyang guys ba, yung bunbun ba. Ayan. Ayan, super talaga guys, super jungle na yung kami dyan oh. Ngayon kasi ang pangit ng weather this year kaya mas mahaba talaga siya ngayon talaga. So sabi nga nito na first time to nagkaganito yung super haba talaga. Actually, every time nga maglilinis kami is super marami talagang maglilinis kami dito sa garden and marami talaga siyang hugaw ba. So ngayon is super talaga siya guys, super dami. As in super dami talaga na sagbot. Visto.
I had to do it, babe. Now we're gonna do this, babe. We start to start to do business, yeah, babe. It's okay, even if we lose this year, the money, of course, this is impossible. We need to make money, this is so expensive.
You could even rent for the teachers for the
I will.
winter, you know. Maano pala siya, babe? It's a bit itching that things, babe.
What?
That one. So I think I'm gonna start na. I'm gonna start na.
See, babe. Want to start, babe? Open the air, apri l'aria. Think she will. Vai, no? Vai. Vai, push. Stay.
It's eating because it's very long, that things.
Will be short. That's why it's good. Alright, I remove that sack too.
Emo is ito guys. It's only one piece. It's one piece. Emo, remove lebih sih. Wada, it's all connecting. It's connected in one piece.
By hands.
See. Visto. See, so it's gonna be all almost. It's
Still go because that you cannot go. Still do.
See. Of course.
A few moments later.
And guys, finally, we
Wada.
clean
Nice.
from the jungle to this, Wada. Wow. But anyway, it's not proprio. It's not really clean because this one, guys, it's under bibnos in the roots. No, we have to pull it out. Everything. Ma, that one no, that one no. That's okay. That one. In here, it's clean. Wow, it's big difference, guys. So maybe next week we come back here, no, babe? We come back here next week, and then we gonna. That one cannot remove, babe, because it's already dry. The things, it's hard, and this is the basura that we. Ako ulit. We gonna call the basura for here to pick up, guys, because they cannot pick up here a normal pick up every day, no. So now we're gonna try to clean and then we go home because we have to pick up the kids in the school. And Isabel's with me. And woo, finally we clean. And next week we're gonna start to clean inside. And yeah. And then we're gonna transfer to the other house. We're gonna start to clean. I swear there, babe? In Villaria, no? But that's easy there. It's not here. Here the one is more difficult to clean because it's a bit bigger. So ayun guys, sige, we're gonna clean her first. At natapos na nga namin pag-ibot ng mga sagbot nun guys, no? At nag-grass cutter ko na din yung iba, yun lang talaga ang kaibahan kasi mabilis na lang talaga siya compare noon sa nakaraan naming paglilinis nito. Inabot kami ng 1 linggo mahigit paglilinis nito guys kasi nga kamay-kamay lang talaga, wala kaming machine. And ayan, thanks God naman talaga guys kasi ito napaka hands-on naman talaga sa mga gawain sa bahay, no? And sobrang talaga guys, nagtutulungan talaga kami ganyan guys. Hindi yung hinahayaan lang ako ni Tony na ako lang yung gumagawa, ganon. Hindi po yun, sabi ko nga sa kanya, kahit ano lang, samahan mo lang ako kasi ayoko kasi yung may, pag ako guys, pag nasa bahay, ayoko yung marami sa isip ko ba na, marami kaming gagawin, ganyan-ganyan, kailangan ko pumunta doon. Sabi ko sa kanya, kahit samahan mo lang akong maggagawa kasi nga, ayoko na yung may stress ako kakaisip kasi maraming gagawin, ganon. Uwi na kami guys, buti na lang meron akong sapaw. Meron akong sapaw na pants. Ay, wait mo, wait.
Prendi, vabbè, mettila là.
Ha?
Mettila là.
Oh, aspetta, oh. Should I leave my pants here? I'm gonna leave my pants here.
Mi tieni una stella lì, si vede.
What? No, I don't think so. 1 or 2, see. So, ayan lang naman guys, we're going home. Asya, Isabel, andyan mo lang ga. Oh, we're going. I let her watch. Huh?
You have to do first straight.
I see, but we can remove. Just put. Oh, guy! Huy, I don't have panulino. Apa to do it? Popo, adiso. Mamma mia. Nalibang ka siya. Due. Questa mattina, una. So, we're just closing this.
Che cagona che sei. Aspetta che la televisione è chiara.
There is the oil, babe. I'm gonna bring this oil. Ara.
Amo chiamiamo su.
Ciao! 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 Kakuna.